How prepared are you and your business for marketing in the forecast downturn that's coming our way? One of the things I've recognised is over the last couple of years, most trading construction business owners have had fuller schedules than I've experienced in the last 20 years of working in this industry. Yet, it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when there is a slowdown. I don't like to call it a downturn, but maybe a correction. How prepared are you for that? See, one of the things that I find is if you're creating a business by default, which means you're just reacting to what's happening on a day-to-day, week-to-week basis, you're going to be left far behind in those people who are now planning and creating a business by design. So what we've put together for you is a marketing kit checklist. Every business that succeeds in attracting the ideal customer, and the ideal customer is the one that is profitable, you enjoy dealing with, they pay on time, they're like a partner in your business because they bring referrals with you, and they love following your processes. That's the ideal dream customer. What do you have in place right now to start thinking about how to attract more of that dream customer in the future? On the link below, we've provided for you a marketing kit checklist that when you run through and put all of these things in place and then act with them, it's like going fishing. You've got the right bait, you've got the right equipment, you know the fish you want to catch, and you know where they hang out. Put some of these tools in place and you'll be able to attract more of your ideal customers with ease and flow moving forward. If you'd like some support implementing any of the ideas, make sure you're in touch, and all the best.